So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. And now you're going to find Windows Audio. Double click on it. Make sure you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running and then click on OK. You want to repeat this for Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Double click on it. Make the startup type automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to expand display adapters. And then you're going to find your graphics card. You're going to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. And now you're going to scroll down till you find video playback. Click on run. Wait for this to load. And then once this loads up, you're going to scroll down and then click on I want to continue with this troubleshooter. Wait for this to load again. Wait for the diagnosis scan to be completed. Then you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.